The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is here. Let's unbox it. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro arrives in a sleek minimal design with a brand signature red color scheme box. As you open the box, you can see the phone itself with some accessories and quick start guide, warranty, SIM ejector tool, safety information, charger, USB-C cable and a protective case. Overall, the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro designs a premium glass front and black with an aluminum frame. It feels solid and luxurious. It comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Under the hood, it packs a 6100 mAh battery with 100-watt SuperVOOC charging support. The device comes with 24 GB RAM and 1 GB of storage. Talking about the camera, it has 50 megapixel primary sensor with OIS and 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and 2 megapixel macro shooter at the back. At the front, the device features a 16 megapixel snapper for selfies and video call. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro boots Android 14 based ColorOS 14.1 out of the box. So overall, the device is very nice, doesn't have a big change in the design as it looks similar to the Ace 2 Pro and OnePlus 12. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and share it and subscribe Bytes for more content like this. I see you in the next one.